I guess here most of them get answer 9 for this problem. Wrong order. Here 5 plus 5 is 10 times 5 minus 5 divided by 5. Here 10 times 5 is 50 minus this 5 divided by 5. Here 50 minus 5 is 45 divided by 5. Now 45 divided by 5 is 9 is the wrong answer. Here as per the sort of operations PEMDAS, this 9 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority, this is a exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. In this problem we don't have the bracket, so we are moving to next priority is exponent. In this problem exponent also not there, so we are moving to next priority multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 5 times 5, so we have to do this 5 times 5. Before this operation here 5 plus here 5 times 5 is 20, 5 minus this 5 divided by 5. Here we have addition, subtraction and division. Here division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction, so we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. See here 5 plus this 25 minus here 5 divided by 5 is 1. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this one. 5 plus 25 is 30 minus 1. Here 30 minus 1 is 29 is the correct answer.